What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're talking about XRP Ripple and what happened yesterday that had Ripple actually up in price about 4.25% to around 46 cents yesterday into early this morning. This is its highest price level in over a week after Ripple scored a small win in its legal battle, its ongoing legal battle versus the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The XRP gains appeared despite the broader crypto market pulling back. And you can see even today, when we take a look at XRP, up about 6% right now compared to Bitcoin, which is down about 1.5%. Same thing with Ethereum here, sort by the last 24 hours. And XRP, one of those top movers, along with Optimism, Decentraland, Axie Infinity, some of the metaverse plays and AI tokens getting some run up right now. Optimism, a layer 2 right there, synthetics in there as well. But that's what happened yesterday. And this small win is just that. Right now, it's not a game changer in any means, but we'll talk about what it actually does here in just a second. XRP price notably jumps when former defense attorney James Filan tweeted a copy of the May 16th judgment, which we're going to take a look at that, concerning the legal battle between Ripple and the SEC. Now, this is, of course, Judge Torres denying the SEC's motion to seal the agency's internal communications that occurred after a speech by its former chairman, William Hinman, in June 2018. In that speech, Hinman argued that Ethereum's Ether token is not a security asset. The judgment could push Ripple toward a legal win, given its ability to prove that XRP is not a security, that it's in line with what Ethereum is. Meanwhile, Ripple's apparently increasing chances of winning have likely led XRP to rise around 11% since May 16th, despite a broader downside sentiment in the overall crypto market. So this is exactly what happened yesterday. As you can see it here, breaking, XRP surges after Judge Torres denies SEC's motion to seal the Hinman documents, holding off on Ripple versus SEC verdict, and now awaits Congress for a regulatory roadmap. So it's a big day here for XRP. It prolongs this court case, which already has been around for 2+ years now. But this is a feather in the cap for Ripple and XRP, no question about it. That is why it's still one of the top gainers here, still ranked number 6 on the big board, sitting at about 44.5 cents right now. But what's going to happen next with the price? Well, the bears are going to argue that the so-called gravestone doji on XRP's March 17th candle, as you can see here, they've highlighted it right there. Oh, let's see here. Find it. There it is right there. That little bit right there, short-term resistance. They argue that that right there was confirmed by a long upper wick and a minor distance between the token's open and low points. Traditionally, these are bearish reversal patterns that we could see some more downside, potentially coming all the way back down to the 35-cent level. In addition, XRP faces downside pressure from its 50-day exponential moving average as well, near 45 cents, and a short-term descending trend line resistance. In this case of the pullback, XRP will likely see the next significant port at 42 cents. If it broke that, obviously we could be seeing there in the mid-30s. Now, a decisive break above the resistance could push XRP back towards 50 cents. But in the grand scheme of things, it's not going to be a major price breakout or breakdown, at least from this analysis on both ends of the spectrum, at least right now. Of course, we expect that to change when we get a real decision on this, lawsuit one way or another. Appreciate you guys as always. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this down below. This is why XRP's price has been up over the last few days. Make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button and also clicking that notification bell so you don't miss out on any crypto content that we put out there. Appreciate you guys as always. See you in the next video. Take care.